Good morning guys, magandang umaga. Today is Christmas Day.
Ito yung pang-polling.
Madaling araw.
Wait lang, pang-polling.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa galaan na naman. Ano oras na ba? 4:30 na po na madaling araw. We are scheduled to go to Vancouver mainland. Yes, gala na naman Paskong Pasko. So, may mga susunduin lang kami. Then we'll go to the port. And come join us for our Christmas Day Gala. Morning guys, nandito na tayo sa may ferry. Ay, ano pala ito?
Terminal. Bakit
Board.
si Jay, birthday niya eh.
Happy
Di
birthday,
nag-book na ako
boss.
ng fine dining.
Problem, boss.
Bahala ka.
No
ikaw.
problem.
Ikaw
Dami,
ang nilagay ko pangalan
dami
ko.
talagang pera nito, oh.
Namasko kami eh.
Namas ko.
Ang dami na pamaskuhan yan eh.
So guys, naghihintay kami. Ang aming boarding is, ano ba? 6:15?
Anong oras pala yung ano? Uy,
6:15.
binaon mo ngayong crinkles eh.
Ako din, may binaon din kayo.
Wala nang time kumain.
Just in case.
May bago nga rin ako
Alam
na.
mo kasing kakain tayo dito sa ferry. Kapi na lang bibili ko para tipid muna tayo.
Nagdala rin ako ng Spanish bread.
Naghihintay kami.
Sinala ka din? Barod.
Tsaka ng crinkles.
May dala din kami, oh.
May tubig nga rin ako dito eh.
Ay, wala kaming tubig. Bibili talaga.
75% lang no, nakita natin kanina.
75%
Yung
available.
available.
75% na available.
Ah,
So 25% lang tayo sa loob.
oo. So kakalog-kalog tayo.
Kakakalog tayo sa
Usually puno dito eh, pero tinan mo guys, walang nakapilang sasakyan. Yung mga addict lang, ang mga addict lang ang mag-ano. Addict gumala lang ang nakapila dito. Ayan oh, walang katao-tao.
Ay, parang nirentahan ng ano?
Private.
Private tour. Pero may biyahe pa.
Entering the Dragon. Perfect. Din ka daw. Din. Ay, din. Ay. We're deck number 4.
Breakfast time.
Buti di siya nag-Christmas break. Nahuli daw siya mag-breakfast.
sa gilid.
Ay, salamat.
Ito.
Ayan, pagkain ni JM.
Kain ng bat. May na may lungad.
Oat milk.
Ayan yung pagkain nila. Jutay.
Thank you, Lord.
Tayo. O, Jerry, dito tayo.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try
Nagkape. Nantok ko pala. Baliw.
Hey guys, nandito tayo sa coffee shop. This is what we call Tres.
Trust.
Tres Coffee Shop.
According to?
With double E.
Kasi may puso. Yan na.
Yun yung kay JM. Ayun si JM mo
This
order.
one is a Ferrero.
Yan,
Cheesecake.
ito yung order natin.
Sarap ito?
Ferrero,
Thank you.
My God.
chocolate croissant,
Spanish latte.
and then the Spanish bread.
Spanish bread is waving. With condensed milk.
With condensed milk on the side.
My skin likes your skin. Your scent draws me in. Hope you'll leave some behind whenever you go. Your hand seeks my hand. No, you'll leave me a bed, but I hope for the best. Don't know what you want. How can't you
Alright, nandito na tayo sa ating hotel. We're back here at Rosedale. Mag-room tour muna tayo. Ayan o, pagpasok mo, meron tayong study table. Yan. And then meron tayong washroom. And then, si Chuchay, ang winner sa aming exchange
Uy,
gift.
ano yung mga melasma ko nakikita? Lapit-lapit mo na lang.
Yung may last man yun, baka
Ayan o.
maging balat mo.
And this is our view for today's video.
Buti lang na, pag-check-in tayo kagad.
Puntahan natin yung dalawa doon. Let's go. Invade natin yung privacy nila. Dito tayo. Sila ay nasa room 1004. Wait lang. Kailangan ko pala ng key. I need key or else hindi ako makakapasok. Where's the key to
Di ba,
success?
ano tayo, pagod? Hindi tayo dito sa atin.
Mamaya na kayo gumawa ng baby. Gawa agad ng baby
Nasa
to.
CR si JM.
Ito po, ini-invade po natin ang privacy nila. Dalawa din yung kama nyo?
Ang lawag na eh.
Ganito kalaki yung room namin.
Huwag ka laki nga.
Oh.
Tumatawa yung isa.
Ayan sila, oh. Dalawa din yung room nyo. Paano buksan mo yan? Ayan po, oh.
Kala ko tatay kami.
Tig-isa pala kayong kama, eh.
Oo nga, hiwalay nga kami. Sino ba yan? Who are you? Who are you?
Roommate mo.
Luto na tayo.
May lutuan pa.
Yes. So guys, practice tayo ng ano.
Practice na ito na to.
Ay, sorry. Mga dancer tayo dito, eh.
This is it.
Compress ka ko lang dyan lang. Yan.
Ganyan?
Subukan to. Yan. 1, 2, 60 seconds to. 1, 2.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Nandito kami ngayon. Hindi nyo kayang hulaan kung saan pumupunta ang mga Pilipino pag napupunta sa Vancouver, downtown. Ang mga taga-island. Hindi nyo mahulaan kung ano yung first stop nila. Doon sila pupunta. Ito yung mga gangbang, oh. Tingnan mo. Ayan,
Merry Christmas!
Oo.
Merry Christmas,
Di ba pag-
guys!
Di ba pag Pasko dapat sa bahay lang?
Mga di mapakali.
Kasi ito po yung may kasama.
Ang kakatinampaan nyo eh. Kahit may mga cancellation na ng ferry, wala kayong, hindi kayo natinag eh, no?
Makakapigil sa amin.
Ito po yung live vlog. Live vlog. Yes,
Oh,
boss.
yan. Picture dyan.
Public live vlog.
Like yung may picture dyan eh. Pa-picture ka. Hindi ka na pa-picture dyan? Ito si Pido lagi na pa-picture dyan, oh.
Saan?
Dito. Tuwing pupunta kami, pupunta siya sa kalsada, pa-picture siya dyan.
Hindi mamaya, mag-picture ka sa kalsada.
Ayan po.
Saka may bus sa likod ko.
We're here.
Ayan, oh.
Vida ang saya. Bukas, tinignan ko eh. Ito na eh.
Ayan, oh. O, tinan mo, sabi ko na sa iyo eh. Mapapapicture na naman siya eh. Ayan, oh.
Happy birthday to kakanta na sinipicturean.
Birthday!
Kakanta na sinipicturean.
Naka-video ka naman.
I don't ask for too much. Oh, but I need more than nothing. And though a little bit of your touch wouldn't be enough, it's only just more than nothing. I don't keep tabs, but I can tell a zero from a one. Just a little bit of romance wouldn't stand a chance. It's only just more than nothing. Nothing just ain't enough. Now I'm not on your back, and I'm not on my knees.
Sarado.
I don't push or pull, and I'm not that hard.
Sarado bukas na
Don't wanna
punta
be
yan.
all up in your business, but I'm not even on your mind. I'm not breathing down your neck. I'm just looking to spend some quality time.
Merry Christmas kayo.
Merry, merry.
Ayan, ayan na, papunta na sa inyo.
It's still just more than nothing.
Merry, merry.
Yeah.
Though a little love
Happy birthday boy, oh.
wouldn't change
Happy
my mind. It's still
birthday to
more
you.
than nothing.
Birthday na ni JM. Birthday na ni JM. Birthday ni JM. Ngayon. Get out!
I won't ask for a lot.
Ito po kami ngayon sa sa may Art Gallery, Vancouver Art Gallery. Merong
A little love of what you've got.
gigantic Christmas tree
It's still
and with Vancouver over there
and that just won't do.
and are you on cue, miss?
Yes.
Okay,
There's a lineup.
there's a lineup.
You better change your act. You can't get lower than the bottom, and that's a fact.
Perfect, let's go.
That's the bottom
Let's
line.
go.
And if you want this love of
Nakatuwa nga
mine,
no? Yung naman.
you gotta do much more, or I'm walking out that door.
Magta-try na naman kami ng
Nothing ain't enough. That's
ano,
for
what is
sure.
that? Flyover Canada. This time na try the Canada, no?
Depende what is available. Magpupunta kami ng Vancouver. Flyover Canada.
Ulan sa hapon, no?
Sarado. Sarado. Punta kami ng malapit na sa may
Canada Place.
Canada Place. It's a birthday boy, sa likod. Perfect! Ito yung pinuntahan natin, di ba?
Soft light falls on quiet sand.
Yes.
You
There you go,
almost
there you go. Let's go, let's go.
shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you lift me in? You and I will always have that one night.
Ba't dito basa?
Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, the shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise. Over you and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have
Hindi na ito 100%.
that sunrise.
Pero backup yan.
We'll always have.
Nasaan ka? Tara si Jaya. Okay guys.
Hey guys, today is December 25th.
Merry Christmas again.
Merry Christmas, what a fail. Everything is closed today, so we only have a staycation. Wrong move.
We just drive around and then sleep. Nothing is
Now,
open.
We're going to
Tingnan mo kung saan tayo.
have a dinner. We'll just go for dinner. Turn left on the Expo Boulevard.
Turn left on Expo Boulevard.
Where's the Expo Boulevard?
Isa pa yata. Tatawid pa tayo.
Ayun ang
Tatawid pa tayo. Dito. Ayan, dyan yung parking eh. Ayan oh. Tayo umikot kanina. Oh, yan yung building. Pero hindi yung kayo.
Napapasama sila balik. Oo, mo naman na kayo.
Okay mo
Happy
naman.
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ang taas naman mo kayo.
Ay, patay mo.
Sige.
Gulat na.
Nahuli ng pulis ang ingay kasi.
Ibigay mo daw.
Nandiyan na tayo. Perfect.
Destination arrived.
Destination arrival. You've arrived. And your destination is anywhere. Eh, may tinda. May tindang ice cream dito.
Ay, may sorbetes.
Mamang sorbetero tayo sumaya.
Oh, tara ng birthday mo sa hotel. Ay, parang birthday nito. Hotel nag-birthday mo sa Marriott. Hindi pa. Mali pala tayo. We're going to the restaurant to celebrate JM's birthday. And we're here at the Victor. Yes, the Victor is here. Victor. That's where we're having our dinner tonight. Mag-kiss kayo. Lalaki lang din. Ganda.
Wow!
Ganda, ikaw naman.
Kaya niya entry.
Ano yun naman? Pinagsabi naman 6. Ay, mga taga-probinsya.
Mga vlogger!
Mga taga-probinsya po.
Ay, nakaano? Ganyan yung kusina namin ah.
Cute, ganda.
Ang birthday, oh. Perfect.
Kahit tayo pa.
Ayun. Ganda. Ano pala siya? Likod talaga siya ng ano. Oh, likod talaga siya ng pang-concert. Teka na. Pasok na kayo. Elik ako.
Ako nga yan, dami mo nga.
Brad, marami na lang ano, pinalagay ko pa yung jacket mo.
Ang birthday nito, napaka-fancy oh.
Paris na kain na.
Yeah, right?
Eh, sugar mommy niya kasi ang yaman. Sugar mommy kasi ang yaman eh.
Yung sugar mommy, max out ang credit card.
Okay lang yan, basta nag-enjoy ka. You deserve this.
After this, he needs to work 2 jobs.
Yes, exactly, right? That's life. Enjoy, work, and repeat.
Yeah, correct. Correct.
Guys, tayo ngayon sa Victor having a birthday dinner. Ayun si birthday boy nandun sa dulo. Birthday niya na sa Pilipinas, but tomorrow ang actual birthday niya dito sa Canada. First birthday, Canadian birthday. Happy birthday, JM!
Birthday.
You know, oh, kaway-kaway dyan. Happy birthday! At ayun si Mama San. Ayan. The triple fries. Triple fries? Yeah, for the size. Sure.
And for me, this one?
Combination, how do you want to prepare?
Medium well?
Medium well?
Yeah.
For rare.
No well. Yeah.
Medium well? Medium well.
It's
Is it too hot if it's too
The more you cook it, it's gonna get dry.
Yeah. Make it medium rare.
medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yeah, yeah. And then, can I have the sides? This one comes with the
Side,
side?
yeah, there's cucumber, a little bit of broccoli, and mashed potatoes.
Okay, sure. That's good. Thank you. Okay na pala, may sweets na rin.
May size na pala siya.
Okay na yun.
Yes.
Masarap.
Lobster bisque
Lobster.
and some bread. And we have, what's that?
Tempura balls.
Tempura bowls? Akala ko wala ka na fries.
Ito.
Ganache.
Silent G pa.
Social. Pero masosyal to, masosyal. Birthday.
Alam niya yung mga Italian
Oo, kasi may silent. Oo.
Birthday niya eh.
Ito literal na binasa eh.
Alam na may Pilipino.
Oh, gawa ng baybay siya rin ng salita, eh, no?
Ano ba? Sagot, boss.
Ganache.
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 Ganesh pala siya eh.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JM. Happy birthday to you. Birthday na ni JM. Birthday ni JM. Ayun. Get out. Wish.
When you wish upon a
Oh, perfect.
Ayaw mo matay.
Yung kinakausap niya.
Oh, yan.
Kaya, nagre-reklamo.
No camera, please. No camera.
Get washed out by the rain. Darling,
Hey guys, madaling araw na, tulugan na tayo.
holding
Ay, naka-ready na sila for bed. And, ayun sila.
I promise
Hi. Good night na daw. We'll see you tomorrow for our next vlog.
you try.
Ayun natin. Ano ba yan? Umutot pa to kadiri ang basto. Nagbablog ako.
Up the
Thank you very much for watching.
if only